Welcome to Creative Momentum's Make It, Mean It, guided meditation for drafting exquisite art of any genre in 10 minutes. In this meditation, we're going to channel the Fire Listening card, also known as the Queen of Wands. Let's start by sitting or standing quietly for a moment. Take a few deep breaths. And notice within yourself your creative courage. Where does your center of creative courage live in your body right now? What does it feel like? If you choose to meditate, you're welcome to keep your eyes closed for the entire exercise. If you choose to write, sketch, or improvise in response to each prompt, go ahead and open your eyes. And let's all begin the make it part of our meditation, where we let our associative mind play around. So you can respond to the prompts as yourself or as a character, and you can take the prompts as literally or imaginatively as you like. Depict someone who is plugged into their community. What is fiery about this person? What makes this person inspiring or fun to be around? What is the bravest thing this person has ever done? Who is this person's best friend? Find a stopping place. This ends the make it part of our meditation, and now we'll begin mean it. So, in this next stage of the creative process, we look back at what we just envisioned, explored, or created, and we identify the resonant elements that arose. So, you can pause this video and look at all of the repeated words, images, melodies, choreography, and notice anything that repeats or anything that's surprising. That helps tell you the shape of your exploration. And also notice if any of the following themes or symbols from this tarot card have shown up in what you envisioned or created. And if these themes and symbols help you understand your exploration. Fire listening, also known as the Queen of Wands, combines spark and communication. They are an activist, entrepreneur, visionary, social worker, or leader. They are full of creativity and purpose. This person helps ideas manifest in the world and thrive. The sunflowers symbolize growth, energy, and vision. The cats and lion symbolize power, courage, leadership, magic, and Sekhmet, the ancient Egyptian deity of healing and warfare. The yellow cloak represents conscious awareness, joy, and actualizing ideas. So take a moment to take in this meaning you've made. With your eyes closed, settle into how your exploration feels in your body. See if any intentions or questions arise for continuing to explore this meaning in your life, in your relationships, or in your art. And just breathe into that experience or that intention or that question. As you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you for showing up to your creativity and to your inner voice. I hope you have a beautiful continuation of this exploration, whatever that means for you. Happy creating.